are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.